Welcome to another edition of Hiroyuki Terada, Diaries of Master Sushi Chef. Hiro-san, how are you?
Very good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon. Welcome to Fast Fridays.
Yes, First Friday.
Okay, Hiro, what are we doing today?
Today we're gonna do Yaki Udon.
Okay.
Stir-fried noodle.
Stir-fried
with,
noodles.
Udon noodle.
Okay.
And also one more thing is, again, we have found this one nice meat.
We just found this again. Yep. $7.99 went back up $2 a pound. Anyway, okay, Hiro, what else are we using?
So we're gonna use the, of course, the udon noodle here. And the red pepper, orange, and the scallion, onion, moyashi. I forgot the called name.
It's bean sprouts.
Bean sprout, yeah. And then the egg.
Okay.
Yeah, and the sauces, very simple. Today I just want to use soy glaze.
Okay.
And then salt and pepper. And sriracha is option. Might I know gonna add it.
Okay. A little oil. All right, Hiro.
Yeah, first step I'm gonna do cut the vegetable first. Green onion, I mean. If this much. This one is bell pepper. The orange one. Red one. Next one, the beef. Nice. Right. This one. Today I'm just gonna cut this way. Today I'm going to use frozen udon noodle. So I'm gonna quick put into the boiling water and cook it a little bit.
How long do you leave it in here for?
Just a melting to
Till it separates, right? And
separate
heats
it.
up?
That's it. So,
Okay. Very good.
Okay, after you can see the noodle, everything gets separated. Then I'm gonna strain out. Like that. Then actually after this one you dry up like that. If you keep like this without water, it gets to dry up. So in this moment I just wanna swing to the halfway on the hot water. Okay, put the oil a little bit. egg. salt and pepper. The pepper. Biscayne. Okay, now I'm gonna add the noodle here. Okay, and add a little bit of salt and pepper now. And then another scallion for the top side, plus bean sprout. Then now I'm gonna add the soy glaze. It off.
That noodle looks so juicy, bro. And the meat looks super soft. Wow.
The Foreman short rib, I mean the Wagyu.
Foreman's Wagyu. I think that's a phrase now. That's something.
Very special.
Very, very special. Oh yeah.
Okay. Then I'm gonna put the dry onion, the flake a little bit on the top. It's a totally option. Then a little bit raw bean sprout on top. That's it.
Okay, let's take a look at this. Wow.
That's it.
Except for the little cutting, everything was so quick. Super fast. That's what we want to see. Looks delicious, Hiro.
Thank you.
Thank you. If you guys like this video at home, give it a thumbs up. Comment below, share. Don't forget to subscribe. Let us know what we should do for Fast Friday. Hiro reads all the comments, so let us know. Thank you so much.
Thank
See
you
you
very
guys
much.
soon. Okay, Hiro-san, I am
Right, best of parts. Tasting.
looking forward to trying
Right.
this. Okay, enjoy.
Let's go. I haven't eaten Yaki Udon long time.
Those noodles, they look so nice and soft.
Yeah, today's everything's simple ingredients, right?
Simple to do, quick results, and it's a huge meal. Look at this.
Yeah, so just a soy good is pretty good.
It's good.
If you want to add garlic in the beginning, that'd be nice too.
Yeah.
And the sriracha is nice too.
Okay.
You can arrangement.
Sounds good.
Very good.
You have another, maybe chopstick.
You want to try that?
Oh yeah. I always forget my chopstick.
By the way, I have a very special tool for my camera guy. Too easy to eat.
Thank you.
Yeah, instead of a chopstick.
Instead of chopstick, this is much simpler. I can definitely use chopsticks, but the thing is,
Yeah, one hand camera.
yeah, one hand it's not that easy to maneuver, and I can chew gum and walk at the same time. It's not difficult for me, but I'm trying to keep your eye on this. Okay, let's try first, Hiro. Let's try a piece of this beef. Take a look at this.
Not bad, right?
Very good. Very good. I liked. Yeah, it's a little sweet, which
Yeah,
You know,
it's
you
come
did-
from the because I use that soy glaze, so
either you love it or you hate it. But this is a little sweet in nature. Still very, very good. Let me try the noodles.
it's pretty long.
The noodles are great. Very, very, very moist. Yeah, overall I would like it. I like it. Really, really good. Nice taste.
How's the beef?
And the beef is good too. Yeah, really good. I enjoy it. Overall, it's a great dish, and it took you nothing to do.
All right.
So
This
good
is
here.
for Fast Friday. Today's recipe.
Yes.
And by the way, we have a big announce on this video. You guys need to do comment on under this video. So what are we gonna do? One my Yanagi give it away. So you guys, what you need to do is only write the comments under this video. So we're gonna pick the winner.
Now, what you got to comment is, I want the knife.
Yeah, like that.
I want the knife, and Hiro will choose a winner, and we'll announce it in next week. Okay.
Yes. Announced by Friday. It's gonna be Friday.
Yeah.
Next Friday.
By next Friday.
This
Sure.
coming Friday, we're gonna put this video. So next Friday. we're gonna
Okay,
be
announce the winner. Very good.
Yeah, announce the winner. So winner can get this Yanagi knife.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
But you have to watch the video. If you win, you gotta comment back. So good luck, everyone.
Yep.
See you next Friday.
See you next Friday.
Thank you.